Hi you guys, it's your girl Victoria and I'm back with another video. So before we get into our video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Press that bell button if you like to stay tuned with more of my videos, and let's get into this video. So today's video is going to be on how to get the super easy iOS 14 update and how to create the aesthetic page that you are desiring. So it doesn't even have to be aesthetic, it can be anything you want. Back in the day, Androids allow you to do it as just something, you know, they had, and everybody was like, Androids better than iPhones, whatever the case may be. But now iPhones is allowing you to do it with their new update, iOS 14. So on iOS 14 you can edit your icons and you can also store your apps in a library. So just like if you had an Android that had the main screen and then the library, you have that now with Apple. So Apple is saying, come to me, spend your coins, and you're gonna get everything that you want almost. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm gonna go into Pinterest. If you don't have Pinterest, then it's best that you create an account, because that's how I find all my ideas and all my looks and wallpapers and all those kind of things. So I'm gonna click right here and I'm gonna go to the search bar and I'm gonna type in these kind of pictures. I really like this beach with the diamonds on it, but my favorite color is pink, so I think we might go for like a pink look. I'm not sure really what I want to do yet. Ooh, look at the money. So you can actually scroll on here and see which ones you like. So I'm gonna go in with this one because this one is giving me all the vibes right now. And I'm gonna save it, and then I'm going to go to my pictures and I'm going to set that as my wallpaper, and I'm gonna set both my lock screen and my home screen. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go to the App Store, and when you go to the App Store, you want to make sure you have 2 apps. And I'm going to put the apps on the screen just so you know which 2 apps you should have. So you need Widgetsmith, and it's already downloaded in my phone because I went in and downloaded it. And you need color widgets to make your apps colored and stuff like that. So now that you're done with that, you want to go in with Widgetsmith first. So this is going to show you, it's going to pop up as a calendar. So you have small one, medium one, and you have large one. So I want my calendar to be medium, so I'm going to press add medium widget. Go ahead and come to color widget. In the color widget, you can put colors in the back. So let's see which one I'm going to do here. Okay, so to add it to your screen, you're gonna hold down your screen, and then it's gonna pop up as if, you know, when you go to delete an app or add the app. So you're gonna press the plus sign at the top, and then if you scroll down, you can see your color widgets. So you're gonna click that, and you're gonna click add widget. And actually you can like scroll to put it the way you want it. I want mine like this one. So I'm gonna press add. And then there goes my calendar at the top. Oh, it looks so pretty already. So I'm gonna take off the translate, and when you press the minus button, you can either delete the app, move it to app library, or cancel. And that's what I was telling you earlier, where you can take the apps off the screen, but you won't have to delete it if you don't want to. But I'm just going to move it to the app library. Okay, so now that you have your calendar up first, The calendar shows your percent. It shows the day, the month, the time, everything like that. Now we're gonna go back to Pinterest. Because if you guys have not went out and subscribed and pressed the like button, then go ahead and do so. Also, give this video a pink heart in the comments if you made it this far, and let's finish the video. Because you can also add smaller widgets to your screen. So I'm going to just go through on some pictures that I like. I definitely could be a brat at times, so I'm gonna go ahead and save this one, download that. I don't know how many icons of pictures I'm gonna put on there. The future is yours to create. I really like this one. It speaks to my soul at the moment. The future is yours to create. So I just went back into Widgetsmith, and I'm gonna click small widget because I want my small widget. I really hate the word widget. Oh, I could delete some of these. So I'm gonna click small widget number 1, and I'm gonna pick default widget, and I'm actually gonna scroll, and I'm gonna go to photos, and I'm gonna click photos, select the photo, choose a photo, and I'm gonna do the future is yours. So go back, I'm gonna save it, and that's it right there. Okay, so as many widgets as you want, you go ahead and you press the screen, you press add, and then you're going to press add widget. So you add your widget. You can add it before you go ahead and customize it on the thing. So before doing that, you want to make sure you go to Widgetsmith and make sure you have as many as you want. So customize them now before you go ahead and do it on your screen. So I'm going to customize widget 3. So I'm going to click on it, default, and then I'm going to change it to maybe one more picture. And then I'm gonna press select photo and choose photo, and then I'm gonna add the brat into it and go back, and I'm gonna press save. So now I have 2 widgets that I can go ahead and edit. So you're gonna hold down the screen, and then you're going to press edit widget, and then it's already set to number 1, but remember which one you did. So I'm going to set this one to number 2, and I'm going to go back to the screen. So that's what it looks like, and I don't like it, so I'm probably going to change it. But I'm going to go ahead and add the other one. So you're going to hold it down, press edit widget, click which one you did, and I'm going to go for 3. So I'm actually going to go back. I'm gonna edit that. And click photo, select the photo, choose a photo, and I'm going to go back in and add these city lights that I had saved in the beginning. And I'm gonna go back and press save, and that's gonna be for 2. And it's already saved now. So this is my screen so far. I'm gonna move this to the library. Move this to the library. So this is my screen, you guys. It's super easy to make, you guys. I really like it. I think it's really cute. So this is the screen that I created. I really love it. It speaks for me as well. As you can see, I have the pink backdrop. This was like one of my first backdrops, I think, maybe my first backdrop when I got my camera. You guys, go ahead and make you one. It's very easy, and you really don't click on them. Like, you don't need to click on them. They're just there for a show, but you can still click on all your other apps and check out everything. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was very helpful for you guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.